As the World Giraffe Day is marked every 21st June, Wajir County, through the Department of Environment, Energy and Natural Resources, leads people to conserve wildlife habitats.
Giraffe is his name, at the top of his game. Giraffe is his name, at the top of his game. 'Cause we have spotty fur to keep us safe from animals who like our taste. Two horns upon our heads, stay on our feet to go to bed. Long legs with bright eyes, already tall when we arrive. Long neck to reach the trees, a slippery tongue which steals the leaves. And Giraffe is his name, at the top of his game. A giraffe is his name, at the top of his game.
My name is Arone M. Yusuf. I'm the CEC for Environment, Energy and Natural Resources. With me is the Chief Officer for Energy and Natural Resources, Mr. Ahmed, the Director for Tourism, Mr. Aden. We are here today in preparation for the celebration of the World Giraffe Day, which is on 31st of June every year. So when we say world, it is a day that has been set aside for the giraffe all over the world.
My name is Ahmed Mohamed Noor. I'm the Chief Officer Environment, Energy and Natural Resources, Wajir County. Today we are celebrating World Giraffe Day, which is commemorated on 21st June every year. As a county, Wajir County is the home of Somali giraffe, otherwise also known as the Reticulated giraffe. As a county, we are doing a number of issues. Yesterday and the whole of this week, we have been going to the field together with the department, with the Kenya Wildlife Service, Kenya Forest Service, and other stakeholders and the media team. We were able to identify a number of giraffes in a number of sites, and we were able to see a tower of giraffe on so many sites. The giraffes are facing a lot of challenges. One of the challenges the giraffes are facing is poaching, which has become very rampant in Wajir, and every time we receive a lot of complaint, a lot of information from the ground that certain area there is poaching going on. Together with the Department of Kenya Wildlife Service, we were able to go to the ground, do surveillance, and as per the records from KWS, a number of people were arrested, poachers were arrested. Some are already facing court charges. As a department, we have set this day, as it was set by the world, as World Giraffe Day. Wajir County, being the mother of giraffe, being the home of the Somali giraffe, is a very important day for us. And we are creating awareness about the giraffe species in Wajir County and the communities. As a department, we have taken a number of measures in place. One of the measures in place is that we have identified and are working together with environmentalists and conservancies. One of them being Sabuli Wildlife Conservancy in Wajir South. We also have another one by the name Wajir Giraffe Center here in Wajir Town. And we are intending to have 3 more community conservancies in the other remaining sub-counties of Wajir.
Naitwa Mahmoud Akale, Warden Kenya Wildlife Service hapa Wajir County. Madhumuni ya leo ni World Giraffe Day ambaye inasherehekewa dunia mzima tarehe 21 June. Ndio madhumuni yetu. Na madhumuni ya World Giraffe Day ni kufanya awareness kwa wananchi. Awareness, alafu support na challenges ambaye inamkabidhi wanyama au twiga mali wako sehemu zako kama wako safe. Tunaongea hizo vitu kwa jumla.
His name at the top of his game. Giraffe is his name, at the top of his game.